Welcome to the Gilamon unboxing part 2. Sorry for the short broken up videos, guys, but I'm learning on the job here, so, and other people do that too. I'm not opposed to it. I would like to do one long one, but should get a script. One thing I noticed, I got some obviously red wired and white wired lights that I have no clue. I see a couple of places that possibly could mount some more lights, maybe tail lights, headlights possibly. Somebody may have already touched on that. I see no way of mounting them other than some double-sided sticky tape. Turns out I did have an adapter. Put a 2200 milliamp battery in it. From what I have seen so far, it's gonna have to really do horrible on the rocks for me not to like it. Seems like a decent servo. We'll find out when we put some weight on it. Look here, come with little rubber things to keep, I guess, poking through the box on them screws. It's looks like something I'd do in a pinch. But anyway, hey, here's an opportunity. I've even went through the manual. Somebody comment. Let me know what I'm supposed to do with that. Because that is going to bother me until I get those lights hooked up on there somewhere. Yes. Well, some flat spots from sitting in the box on the truck for 9 days. Anyway, enough about that. That little servo right there. Yeah, a little reverse action. Typical. I'm telling you, I can't see how those tires don't perform, but you know, I have been fooled before. Oh yeah, got these little boogers right here. Let's see. Red. Well, we're gonna go green. Got a little Starsky action going there. Very excited. See y'all on the rocks.